Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Solana wallets using Solflare data backup, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Solana wallets using Solflare, start by opening the Solflare website. If you do not have a wallet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Log into your Solflare wallet using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section of your dashboard. Look for the settings or backup options, typically represented by a gear icon. Select the backup option to proceed with the backup process. You will be presented with your recovery phrase or seed phrase. Make sure to write down the recovery phrase on a secure piece of paper. Do not store the phrase digitally, as this poses a security risk. After writing it down, store the paper in a safe place. Consider using a fireproof or waterproof safe for an added layer of protection. If applicable, you might also be given an option to export your wallet keys. Select the export option if you wish to save your private keys. Follow the prompts to download the key file securely to your device. Ensure your device has adequate security measures in place before downloading. Once all information is securely backed up, log out of your Solflare wallet. Keep your backup documentation and files private and secure. Review your backup details regularly to ensure they remain accurate and accessible. In case of any issues, consult Solflare's support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.